Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for all your support and a big up on yourself. Yes, me I go there this morning, yeah, and we have to touch the positive. We like the positive view over here. Now, sometimes we go along with negative road, but too much negativity at the moment, sometimes you have to move away a bit from it, yeah, sometimes you have to do that. But we are going to talk about the donor, the work of money what we see count up yesterday. Yeah, down there some farmer I go. Yeah, when they say you want the planka effect, you want clothes, you want dough, you want stout. Me not care what them are going to say we want, but we are going to talk about it this morning because, when you see good things happen like this, you got to talk about it, yes. And you have to say, a big up, yeah. The person said big up to the big platform on the comments because I did do a post yesterday and all the donors that donated to a worthy cause and to a brighter future for another youth, yeah. So, and he said, and the person said, I'm mad, them I go mad out, yes. And somebody said them I go mad out, yeah. So, yeah, so and another person said only one planka boss and her lovely donors, one planka boss DMG to the world. Only Auntie Donna could have done this to the tick it, and may God continue to bless her. And another person said this is what love can do. Another person said big up Miss Donna and her generous daughter for making this possible for this young lady, yeah. So this is what the comments said for the post that I made yesterday with the money. And me poor say money like dirt, yeah. I never see so much money like that before, yes. And yes, so what I'm gonna say now, we're gonna go there a little bit now. We may want to go there so, but we have to go touch that now to say the people them, the enemies, wanna lose again. Yeah, wanna lose again. Lose this back here. Wanna need to give up now for a while, I think now, because wanna look fool. Wanna look foolish and fool. Oh no, now stop back and no now stop talk. And how do not back and how do not talk and more money are coming in. The donors them are spend more. So how that go? Because I try to put doubt in a people's mind. And I tell people say that a lot of people stop donate to the program. All the big donors them gone. But this woman get more than 1.5 million more than she did want. So how that go? Me I go ask. Me no understand. Gwarn. So that me I want to ask, what really a gwarn? Because have all kind of Tyrians over there, teary down people what say was ex-plankatarians. But it look like say the message is coming across because the more them attack, the more the people them are donate. So me not understand that at all. So this is what I don't understand it turning around man that me did intend to do. But all the talk them attack, it not get through. The message not get through. So I don't understand all of this, this tear down and this bring down and all this, because the more them attack, the more people are donate and the more money the lady I get. So I don't know, it don't make sense to me at all. It don't make sense. And I don't understand why they keep going, because when them attack, them are promote the individual. That's what them doing. They're promoting the thing. Yes. I'm going to say, we have to say the bit that I took away from that we take away from the whole thing. The one person said, what could this, I was thinking, what could this be? Because all them a tear down is not getting through. The people them trust the lady with their money. Yeah, they trust her with their money. And the one person put it in a nutshell, it's love. Yeah, the lady is loved by many. Yeah, love. This is what love can do, the person said. And that is what it is when people love you. Yes. When people love you, they love her and they trust her. Love and trust go together. Yeah. So, and that me see a gwarn, really, to be honest. It is love, and I always say, these people that's going on, that a bark and a talk, them are going to get, yeah, a nervous breakdown. Yeah, them are going to get a nervous breakdown if they don't stop talk. Yeah, because they need to stop and talk now. If that was me now, me da shame and me da stop talk. But they can't stop talk because the lady is them content. Yeah, because all them a talk and all them a go on. We can't see no evidence. We can't see no receipt. We can't see nothing. So, yeah, make them continue to talk because them a promote the thing. Anyway, a fine woman don't talk and she's out.